Hi everyone. I know it's been a couple of weeks. I haven't took any video. I was having a little bit office work and I shifted my home and I was a little bit busy with a lot of other things. So that's why I haven't took any video for past couple of weeks. So I'm back. Today we're gonna talk about top six attraction in Japan. So our first point is polite people. People over here are very polite and down to earth. They are someone who use arigato gozaimasu, gomenase, sumimasen and all during a conversation with them. Means like thank you, excuse me, sorry, all these things. And also will bow to each other to show the respect to the other person. It's been told that there are several reasons why they have been too polite. From centuries, Japanese have been taught to be more responsible to their family and to the country and to serve others' needs before their own. Uh, and also, they are true believers of oneness. They believe in one nation, one culture, one race, one civilization. And also, Japanese religion and philosophy play a vital role on this. So, a second point is more lifespan of Japanese. Japan is one of the country where you can see larger percentage of older adults. Japan is having around 2 million people who had already crossed 90. That means 2% of the population. There gotta be a secret behind this. Few people say that it's because they drink green tea daily. In fact, Japanese diet is a perfect example of Greek physician Hippocrates who had advised around 5th century. The diet is lean and balanced with staple food like omega 3, rich fish, rice, whole grains, tofu, seaweed, vegetables, etc. They also use seaweed sheet called as nori sheet to wrap and build up the onigiri, which is one of their fast food which is available in most of the supermarket. So third point is vending machine. Japan is pretty famous for its insane vending machine. There are around 5.5 million vending machines throughout Japan. It's been telling that the ratio, if you're splitting the entire population into each 25 people group, there will be one vending machine for each group. There are normal vending machine which gives you frozen Coca-Cola to those that gives you living animals like kitten, puppy, etc. Fourth point is cheap electronics. There are a lot of places where you can buy electronics in a crazy cheap and crazy quality. So you can, if you want to buy second-hand electronics, you can go to Akihabara. There are a lot of second-hand shops, and also there are a lot of Sayonara sales. Sayonara means goodbye. So most of the foreigners staying here might be not permanent. So once they leave, or if someone want to sell the old one and buy a new one, they used to post ad in Sayonara Facebook pages or Sayonara websites. And if you would like to buy a first-hand electronics, Yodobashi is a better choice in Akihabara. This is one of the 50-inch plasma TV that I bought last week. Can you just imagine, I bought this just for 6,000 Indian bucks. That means around 10,000 Japanese yen. Fifth point is free education. From past several years, uh, Japan is already having free education for primary and secondary schoolings. And last year, Prime Minister Abe had declared free education for preschool and also for higher secondary education. So that means like from preschool to higher education, the entire schooling will be free of cost. And this is applicable for all the people who are paying tax over here, including foreigners. The reason why the government had declared this free education is considering the financial burden of education and child rearing weighs heavily on young people, which becomes a bottleneck for them to give birth and raise children. So that is the reason why they had given free education. And the sixth and last point is mask wearing habit of Japanese.
Japanese started wearing face masks since several decades. It's been telling that they're using it for several reasons, considering health, to prevent from dust and pollen, and also for covering up their face to hide physical imperfections when they have pimples, zits, scars, etc. And even few wear it for fashion. Also, I heard that few of them having social anxiety wear that as a way of separation between society and themselves.
So, according to me, these are the 6 attractions of Japanese people and their culture. Next video will take a few of the things that make us hesitate or drawbacks of Japan. So, if you had liked my video, please support me. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.